Yan, tapos haluin natin. Wow, grabe, sobrang lambot ng meat niya. At sobrang flavorful, ang daming spices, super dami. So, ayan. Grabe. Sarap. Ala, para siyang nilagang baka. It's like beef soup in the Philippines, but this is the version of like, very flavorful version talaga. And you eat it with tortilla. Balikan natin. So, tortilla is supposed to be like this color, like white siya. But, they put the broth, like, ganyan, saw. And to make it like this, yeah. And let's try. Partner nga talaga. Harap. Grabe. Ang sarap. It's really rich in flavor. At kapag kumain ka ng tortilla together with this, medyo matamis na siya. So talaga nagko-complement sila. So ngayon, let's try to make a taco with this. Diba? So, tortilla. Let's put some meat. Ayan, salsa. Ayan, let's put this sauce. Ang sarap. Ayan. Kung sa Pinas, rice is life. Here, tortilla and Coke is life. Adios, amigos!